Please, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Amazing Creation by Srija. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon beside it to get the next notification of my videos, and please like my videos. Today we will learn about tense. Past tense. There are three types of tense. Number one is the past tense. Number two is the present tense. Number three is the future tense. Okay, that are the three. Okay, we can divide the present tense into four tenses. Number one is present infinite. You can say the present infinite also simple present. Okay. And next is present continuous. Another next is present perfect, and the last one is present perfect continuous. Okay, let's learn about the present indefinite. The simple present tense is one of the several forms of present tense in English. It is used to describe habits in changing situations, general truths, and fixed arrangements. The simple present tense is simple to form. Just use the base form of the verb. Means I take, you take, we take, they take. The third person singular takes an extra s at the end. Means it will be like he takes, she takes. Okay? Okay. Next one is present continuous. The present continuous of any verb is composed of two parts. The present tense of the verb to be plus the present participle of the main verb. Okay, next is present perfect. That is, the present perfect is used to indicate a link between the present and the past. The time of the action is before now but not specified, and we are often more interested in the result than in the action itself. Next is present perfect continuous. The present perfect continuous tense, also known as the present perfect progressive tense, shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. The present perfect continuous is formed using the construction have or has been plus the present participle root plus ing. Okay, over here, that are the structures of the tenses. Okay, present infinite, subject plus verb plus object. Present continuous, subject plus is or are plus verb plus ing plus object. Next is the present perfect, that is subject plus has or have plus verbs third form plus object. Next is present perfect continuous, that is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. Okay, over here, that are the examples of present infinite, that is he plays. Present continuous is he is playing. Present perfect is he had played. Just one time, just look at these structures once, and then after looking there, look at the sentences over once. Then it will be so easy for you. Next is present perfect continuous, that is he has been playing. Just practice every time it, and it will be so easy for you, as easy as a pie. Okay, so have a good day, and continuously speak English. Continuously try to speak in English. It will be better for you. And if you want to uh, do do my classes, you can go to the Teachment app. It's good for you. You can go over here there and enter the classroom ID shared by teacher, and after enrolling your classroom you can get my two classrooms. Number one is Amazing Creation by Srija English version, and my Srija Creation means the Bengali version one. I give all the subjects from class 1 to 8. Okay, every day means in the 7 days of the week I used to say everyone means teach everyone. Here you can give the attendance also, and you can join lives also, and there are live lectures my all, and there are the tests, and there are my two students also, and that is the chat one. You can chat with your with me over here, and it's the notice board, and it's the assignments and study material from YouTube videos. You can means you can see my YouTube videos also, and some images and documents. Okay, and my classroom ID I am giving you over here, and you can go to the channel and the about section, there you can get also, and if you want it I will share it in the description box. So you need to do is to just to visit the description box once. Okay.